Hello and welcome to the Daily Thunk. In today's episode, we're asking the question, can animals predict earthquakes? When the earth trembles, it often catches us off guard. But what if someone, or rather something, could warn us? Today, we're diving into the fascinating question, can animals predict earthquakes? Throughout history, there have been intriguing anecdotes. From ancient Greece to modern Japan, tales abound of animals acting bizarrely before earthquakes. Horses becoming restless, dogs howling, cats hiding. But are these just coincidences, or is there something more? In 373 BC, historians documented that animals, including rats, snakes, and weasels, deserted the Greek city of Hellas days before a devastating earthquake. Fast forward to 1975, officials in Haicheng, China, evacuated the city partly based on abnormal animal behavior, hours before a 7.3 magnitude quake. Scientists have been investigating this phenomenon for decades. One theory is that animals might sense the Earth's vibrations before humans. Another suggests they could detect electrical changes in the air or gases released from the Earth. But here's the challenge. These behaviors are difficult to measure and predict consistently. And while some studies have found correlations, others have found none. There's evidence on both sides. A 2003 study in the journal Nature found that toads abandoned their breeding site days before an earthquake in Italy. But skeptics argue that for every correct prediction, there are countless times animals behaved oddly without an ensuing earthquake. The scientific community remains divided. The main question is correlation or causation. Are animals truly sensing earthquakes, or are these just random occurrences? Predicting earthquakes remains one of the great challenges in earth sciences. While animals might provide clues, relying solely on their behavior is risky and unproven. The future might see a blend of traditional monitoring and studying animal behavior. With advances in technology and data analysis, we could uncover patterns that were previously undetectable. Regardless of their predictive abilities, one thing is clear: animals have a profound connection to their environment. They remind us of the mysteries of nature and our need to understand and respect it. Can animals predict earthquakes? The jury is still out. But in our quest for answers, we're reminded of the intricate balance of life on Earth and the need to be prepared for its uncertainties. If you're intrigued by the mysteries of nature and the animal kingdom, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.